everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To our right here, you're looking at one of our new styles. This is going to be a refrigerated showcase display. Okay, as you can see, it has glass on all sides for display. We have our swing door in the front. Comes with the shelves. You're looking at a total of 4 shelves. You got LED lighting or lighting on the inside as well. Okay, so as you can see, lighting is going to be located on both back corners. Okay, so before we get started on more, I do want to go ahead and give you the measurements for this display. I'll also measure the inside for you. Length, you're looking at a total of 21 inches. For your depth, you're looking at about 18.5. And the overall height for this showcase display, you're looking at about 67 inches high. 67. Okay, the unit does have wheels that are already installed. Okay, so you can easily move it around. Also, right there we can locate our plug for this unit. It is a standard US plug, 110 volt. Okay, so that's plugs located on the side. Okay, you also will be provided with an instruction manual booklet. So if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, all the information is going to be on that booklet. Also on the top of the unit, we have all our switches. We have our light switch. We got our set switch. We got both arrows to control the temperature, whether you want to raise or lower the temperature on this unit. Okay, so all controls are located on the top of this showcase. On the side of the showcase, we have a sticker with all the specs regarding the unit, model, voltage, all that is located on there, as well as your certification. Unit is going to be certified by the health department. You can locate the certification on that sticker. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the unit and measure the inside for you. As I mentioned, you will be provided with 4 of these shelves that are adjustable. Okay, so you can go ahead and adjust those shelves to whatever level you want them to be at. Front to back, you're looking at 15.5 inches. Left to right, you're looking at a total of about 19 inches. Overall height, you're looking at a total of 44.5 inches of the height. Okay, as I mentioned, you can adjust those shelves to whatever level you want them to be at. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this refrigerated showcase display. Okay, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding this unit on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thanks for watching.